thing, our subscription. Well, got the descriptions below. Apa tadi? Welcome to AsterSpring Great Skin Solutions. I am Putri. Today I will share a home DIY to help your skin achieve professional skin treatment results using products, innovations, and technologies. My skin feels tight quite often and prone to redness, and I notice my skin break out more often around my cheeks and chin area when I wear face masks. So let me show you how easy it is to handle skin breakouts and sensitivity by using Dermalogica Professional Grade Skincare from USA. I am confident you can have the same amazing skin results. So let's start! Cleansing is the most important step to begin my daily skin regimen. To start my cleansing, I will use a Precleanse oil. This highly cleansing oil helps melt away all impurities. It also removes my makeup effectively. I always rely on it before my second cleansing to keep my skin absolutely clean. I use a special cleansing gel and mix it with a gentle scrub like this daily Microfoliant to help remove dead cells that cause skin dullness. Add water and mix them into a smooth paste and apply onto face. Unlike other brands, Dermalogica products are made with no harmful ingredients to deliver results without being harsh on the skin. For better results, I use BT Sonic from USA for 8 times cleansing than manual cleansing. My skin feels and looks instantly brighter with a more refined texture. To prep my skin for better absorption of active ingredients, I sprayed on multi-active toner. Hydration is a key foundation for healthy skin. To boost my skin hydration all day, I use Calm Water Gel as it provides hydration up to 105%. With the hydration and soothing actions, it provides a great relief to my skin. Besides, it absorbs easily without leaving any residue. The AsterSpring Clearing Serum contains salicylic acid and niacinamide as well as powerful botanicals to help clear and prevent breakouts while also minimizing premature skin aging. Clinically proven to clear skin and achieve radiance in 4 weeks. Unlike other brands, this product targets acne without drying the skin. No more worrying over unexpected breakout as this serum helps me to overcome and prevent acne effectively. A little pro tip. Don't squeeze or pinch pimples at home as that may lead to scarring or infection. Facial treatments with extractions are recommended instead. AsterSpring has over 36 years of experience in skincare, and we as the professional skin therapists are highly trained and certified to help you achieve great skin health. I also need the all-day protection from a good moisturizer. I love this moisturizer because it helps keep my skin hydrated up to 48 hours and ensure a healthy skin microbiome. For sunscreen, I prefer a sheer texture, non-greasy, and one that blends 100% invisibly into my skin. The invisible physical defense is perfect for sensitive skin and protects my skin from blue light and UV exposure with the latest non-chemical soothing formulation. Isn't it simple and easy? To achieve long-lasting and professional results, visit your favorite AsterSpring center at least once every 2 weeks to achieve great skin health with us. You not only get your extraction done professionally, but also massage that are designed for maximum relaxation. Like, subscribe, and click the notification button to keep updated. And if you're interested for our DIY kit, don't forget to check out our description below. To know more about our upcoming masterclass, follow our Instagrams and Facebook. See you again!